South Africa will end being ruled by Muslim people. Islam will spread its wings over South Africa. The country of Lesotho will lose its...
Attack our South Africa because they want Cape independence.
I am from South Africa. If you are watching this video, it means I have been kidnapped by the IOF and taken to Israel.
Hey man, on PCE man, welcome to another video man. It's your boy Twadi Wasabi man. So apparently Israel is planning to attack South Africa man. Israel is planning to invade our home man, you feel me? So I don't know guys, if like you guys are gonna agree with me here, but you feel me? Speculations